What's up, everybody? It's the LocDoc here. Okay, it is Beauty Shop Banter Day. Today, I probably look a little bit worried because I'm supposed to be allowing one of my stylists to put lashes on me. I'm a little bit scared. I'm serious. It's not a game. Like, I've had a thing with stuff getting too close to my eye for a very long time. So it's real. So, I'm gonna attempt to make it through allowing her to put these lashes on my eyes. But when she's done, I'm gonna come back and share with you all the things that I learned. And as you're preparing for Halloween and all your costumes, what you probably need to know about putting lashes on. So we'll be back. I was asking some questions. I don't think I'll ever attempt to do this on my own, but she said that you need to make sure that you don't have any makeup on when you do this. So you probably don't want to do any Halloween makeup or regular makeup and then try to put these on. I don't know why.
Well, you can do it afterwards. It's just before you put them on. You don't want any makeup so they can last longer.
Well, right, but what's the difference? Why?
Well, you have a fresh lash and it'll be clean and it's gonna attach to your lashes and last longer.
Okay, that makes sense. And then she said don't put it under.
Some people put it under and you can put it on top as well. It just kind of depends. Some people with curlier lashes, they'll put them at the bottom because their lashes curl up and they tend to fall off earlier than expected.
Oh, okay. Why does some people like it look like when they blink and it's like bat eyes? It's like is
Like,
lashes too big? Can you make them
um,
too big? Like I mean, not like aesthetically pleasing, like it just looks too big. But I mean, like really, is there a gauge on when you're trying to buy lashes? Somebody like me, I don't wear lashes. I have lashes,
yeah,
but
some
I
lashes
should.
have bases that are super thick, so I know exactly what you're talking about. Um, and when they look down, it's super thick. That's just how it looks, because that strip on the bottom where it holds the lashes is super thick.
Okay. That's awesome to know. I never even would have asked the question, but I'm gonna let her finish this here. We're gonna cut out and we'll show you the finished product in a minute. Okay, I'm back. I made it. Don't laugh at me. I was really scared. It's not a game. So, okay, what do you think? How they look? I think they look good. I mean, I've never had an issue with people that wear lashes. I think they look amazing. I think these look awesome. I just am afraid of getting my eyeball plucked out. Okay, backtrack. Anyway, so I did learn some things while I was trying not to be scared out of my chair. One, if you're going to put on lashes, make sure you do it with a fresh face. So, not just not have any makeup on, of course, or not just making sure that you have your face clean, but make sure you don't have on any type of chemical makeup, liner, um, concealer. You don't want to have anything on your face because it allows the lashes to adhere to your, what is that called? I'm not an esthetician. Insert word here. Reference below, whatever that word was. That area right there at your eyelid, you don't want that area to be contaminated with product. Also, you want to make sure that when you are picking lashes, there is such a thing as too big. I asked that question. So, if you have thicker lashes, like I naturally have a thicker lash, you want to stay with something that doesn't have quite as wide as a base. Um, these are the individual, not the very, very little individual ones. It was like clusters of them. But you just want to make sure that you don't get something that is going to overwhelm the eye because you can cause damage. You can start to have your eye wade It can cause issues with the muscle in your eye, and you don't want those kind of problems. What else did I learn? I found out that you can just take it off with some coconut oil. I thought I had to have. I know. My team is like, what? I didn't know that. That was a what moment? I didn't know that. So I don't necessarily have to use a really expensive makeup remover. I can use olive oil, or I think I probably will have something in the house specifically for makeup removal or lash removal. But if I want to make sure I get them off and I do a clean sweep and I don't get left with particles of glue all over my eye, I can just tiptoe to the kitchen. So I obviously made it. I think they look amazing. Shout out to Sade, Hair by Sade. Follow her on Instagram. She did an amazing job and she did not pluck my eye out. So I'm happy. All right, guys, enjoy your Halloween and see you later.